Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Blink camera to Ring app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now if you have already set up your Blink camera, then what you need to do is simply open up your Ring app. And once you open up your Ring app, here you'll be seeing something like this. Now you can just simply tap on this set up a device, or tap on the three horizontal bar icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, here you'll be getting the bunch of options, and here you'll be getting the option that says set up a device. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be provided with a bunch of devices that you can explore through to add your device. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the device that you want to add, or your Blink camera, and once you have done with that, follow the on-screen instructions to set up or complete the process. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.